swimming. It's summer. It's summer. Hey friends, Erica, Simone, and crew here from Color Their World. It is a glorious, crew. You're part of the crew, right?
What's this crew mean?
Oh man, can we? I'll let you know that later.
Like you're my buddy.
Yes, exactly. See what I mean? New friends, subscribers, we welcome you. To the ones who are returning, welcome back. Today we are going to be reading a book that is going to get us ready for the summer. It's Paw Patrol and pool time. Yeah? What do we need to know about swimming during the summer? What's one thing?
Yeah. You need some goggles before under the water. If you put your eyes under the water first, it'll burn and you'll have to rub it.
There you go. So you need goggles. And what's
you have to rub it before you go in the water.
Yeah, and what do we need? What's in your hand?
Lifeguard jacket.
A life jacket. So we need a life jacket. We need goggles, and what else do we need to remember?
Make sure a parent is with you when you're swimming.
Make sure a parent's with you when you're swimming. There are so many things that we need to remember when we go swimming during the summer, friends. Why don't we read this book from the Paw Patrol crew and see what they help us remember? Bye!
Bye!
Do you like to swim? I do. So does my friend Dev. He's a lifeguard. We both know how much fun you can have swimming, but we also understand how important water safety is. You probably know the 3 basic rules. Don't swim without an adult, know how to float, learn how to swim. But that's just the beginning. There's so much more to know, which is why the Paw Patrol wants you to join them at the Adventure Bay Super Cool Pool Day. During our day at the pool, you'll learn more helpful safety tips. Let's dive in. It was Adventure Bay's Super Cool Pool Day. There would be all kinds of competitions and races. All paws on deck, Ryder told the pups. We have to work together so the pool is safe before we can let anyone swim. We'll make sure everything is ready, said Marshall. Zuma, you test the water to check that it's just right for swimming, Ryder said. Everyone else can help get the pool area ready. It's going to be a big day. Alex couldn't wait to go swimming. He had been taking lessons with lifeguard Dev, and he was excited to show his grandfather, Mr. Porter, what he had learned. He had been practicing swimming without his life jacket. Now Alex could compete in the no-jacket doggy paddle race.
That's great, Alex, Mr. Porter said. But remember, there's no rush. You can keep wearing your life jacket as long as you need it.
The Paw Patrol is getting the pool ready, and lifeguard Dev should be here soon, Mira Goodway said to her niece and nephew. Pool parties are a lot of fun, but safety always comes first. Inside the pool area, all the pups helped out. Rocky and Rubble removed the pool cover. Sky scooped leaves out of the water. Chase made sure everyone put on sunscreen while they waited. Always use sunblock when you're playing outside, he told the kids. You can get a sunburn even on a cloudy day. Mayor Humdinger and his nephew didn't feel like waiting.
Wait, shut. Come on, Harold,
the mayor whispered as he tried to sneak through the gate. Hold on, Marshall told him. The lifeguard isn't here, and you should never swim without a lifeguard to watch you. But he's a grown-up, Harold said.
Yeah,
Mayor Humdinger whined and stamped his foot.
I'm a grown-up.
Sorry, but the rules are for everyone, Chase said. Lifeguard Dev is here, Alex shouted. Zuma opened the gate. Super Cool Pool Day was about to begin. Ready, set, get wet, said Zuma, the water pup. Race it to the steps, Uncle Mayor, Harold shouted, running past everyone. Dev stopped him before he could get far. Please walk, Harold, he said. It's slippery near the pool, and you can fall.
Water schmack,
the mayor said.
You don't make the rules.
Dev smiled. Actually, I do, he said. That's part of being a lifeguard. I make the rules, and I make sure everyone follows them. Katie held up her beach ball to show Zuma. Is it okay if we play catch in the water? Zuma checked the pool rules. Ball playing is okay, as long as you stay in the shallow end and be careful of others around you," she said. Everybody was practicing their skills for the races when Dev suddenly blew his whistle. They all stopped to listen to Dev, except Mayor Humdinger and Harold, who were too busy goofing around to notice. "When Dev blows his whistle," said Zuma, "that means we all have to stop what we're doing and listen." "Pool party pooper," the mayors muttered. "I have an important announcement," said Dev. "The races will begin in 15 minutes. Alex pointed to a rope floating in the pool. "Look, Grandpa! That separates the two sides of the pool. There's a shallow end and a deep end. Shallow means not deep."
Wow, Mr. Porter said. "You've learned a lot in your swim lessons, Alex."
Alex couldn't wait to show his grandfather how he could swim without a life jacket, but when he got to the edge of the pool, he stopped. "Is something wrong?" Zuma asked. Alex nodded. "We swam without our life jackets in class. I thought I was ready for the race, but now I'm not sure." "How about we try it with the life jacket on?" Dev said. Alex practiced with his life jacket on. Next, he practiced without the life jacket. Soon he was feeling confident again. "I'm ready for the race!" he exclaimed. It was time for the first competition of the day, synchronized swimming. The Humdingers, Julia and Julius, and the other teams got into the pool and began to spin and dance gracefully. Dev and Rubble were the judges, and they made their decision.
"We have a winning team,"
Rubble announced. "Julia and Julius." The next event went to the fastest swimmer race. Ryder, Mayor Humdinger, and the other competitors lined up in the water. Dev raised his hand. "On your marks, get set, go!" The swimmers took off, splashing furiously. Alex and the pups cheered and clapped. Ryder crossed the finish line in first place. Finally, it was time for the no-jacket doggy paddle race, and Alex was ready. The racers took off and started paddling through the water.
"Go, Alex!"
Mr. Porter cheered. Alex concentrated, paddled hard, and won the race. He was proud he'd swum the whole day without his life jacket.
"Great job!"
his grandpa said. Not everyone was happy.
"Gracious smashes,"
Mayor Humdinger said to his nephew.
"Let's go back to Foggy Bottom."
"But the party's not over," Harold replied. Just then, a flash lit up in the sky. It was followed by a clap of thunder. Dev blew his whistle and everyone stopped to listen. "It's not safe to swim in a storm," he said. "That ends our swimming for the day. Everyone, please stay calm and get out of the water. We're going to the pool house." When it started to rain, the pups helped everyone out of the pool.
"Uh-oh,"
said Mr. Porter.
"It looks like swim time is over."
"It's okay," Alex replied. "I had fun in the pool, and we can still have fun and snacks inside." Everyone walked to the pool house slowly and carefully, even Mayor Humdinger and Harold. Inside the pool house, Dev handed out medals to the winners. Julia and Julius received Best Synchronized Swimmer medals. Alex got the No Jacket Doggy Paddle Race medal, and Ryder got the medal for the fastest swimmer. "There's one last award for Most Improvement," Dev announced. "It goes to Harold and Mayor Humdinger." Everyone clapped for the mayor and his nephew. "A good pool day is about more than just swimming," Dev said. "When the storm started, you both listened to instructions, remained calm, and didn't run. Mayor Humdinger and Harold showed the most improvement today." After the storm, the sun came out and they all walked home. "I can't wait until tomorrow when we can get to swim again. I love swimming," Alex cried. Ryder was happy too. "You all did a great job staying safe at the pool today. I think this was the best adventure-based super cool pool day ever." "And the safest too," said Zuma. Thank you so much for reading with me today, friends. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in on Wednesday for a colorful activity. Till we read again,